Hey everybody, it's Mark Gladue, listing specialist and broker associate with the Lauer Realty Group. And today I'm at our newest listing over in the Westmoreland neighborhood, which is located in between Midvale Boulevard and Glenway. It is such an awesome place to be. So this house has 4 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, and is just over 1,400 square feet. Wait till you see the kitchen. It's huge. Newer appliances, newer windows throughout the entire house. I think you're really gonna like this. So come on along, follow me, I'll take you inside. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this tour of 4133 Meyer Avenue, our newest listing over here in Westmoreland. As always, if you have any questions or you'd like to schedule your own tour of this great house, please feel free to reach out and give me a call at 608-658-0467. Until next time, glad you stopped by.